Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to back up or restore contacts on Samsung Galaxy M01 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To prevent losing your contacts stored on your Samsung Galaxy M01, you can create a backup. To begin, go to your contacts. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Manage Contacts. Now go to Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on the button, Export. Select where to export your contacts. You can select internal storage, or you can choose SIM card. Then tap on Export from the bottom. Tap on Allow to access your device. That's it. The contacts has been exported to your internal storage. Now tap on OK from the bottom. This is the exported contacts. To import contacts, again go to the Contacts app. Then tap the three lines in the top left. From the resulting menu, select Manage Contacts. Now go to Import or Export Contacts. Then tap on the button, Import. Select from where to import your contacts. You may have multiple options to select from. Now select where to save this contacts. You can select Phone Storage, or you can choose Google account. Then tap on Import from the bottom. And the contacts has been added to your phone. So in this way, you can back up or restore contacts on Samsung Galaxy M01 smartphone. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.